Welcome to tractor farming. The farmer is driving a tractor which is making a noise. There is a beautiful place where children are playing in front. It seems the owner of the house is sitting right in front, who are talking among themselves. Today the weather is very nice.
This place should be made arable, and I know one person can do this job. Hi, good evening.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I am good. Are you free to prepare my barren land for cultivation?
Yes, sure, sir.
Thank you.
Hi, good evening. This market looking very beautiful.
I need someone to bring these seeds from market to storage. Are you available this time to bring my seed from market to storage? I can pay good reward to complete this work.
Okay, sir, I am coming.
This farmer is very hardworking, who is working with so much effort. Now, this field is ready for wheat crops.
Excellent work. Now field is ready for wheat crops. Can you sow seeds in my field?
Yes, why not, sir?
ना 100 रुपए ना
Hi, good morning. Couple are sitting in the front of the house.
If you are free today, then we should go shopping.
It seems to be a huge water tank. I think villagers seem to draw water from here.
I need water to fill the water spray tank. Let's go fill up the water tank.